But the score for this one is 114K 100 on OG hardware. On emulation, no score has been set. Alright. Oh, yeah. Second button to jump, we like that. Oh, no, there's full CD32 pad support. We do this then. Nothing else? No cheats or anything? And I'm gonna end the music here, so we can focus on... I'm doing everything Amiga only. I've written all the games out here. I put all the games on a list and I'm going through all the games. All the games. So I'm doing empty board rates as well. And I'm trying to just beat, if possible, the OG score in that regard, so it makes sense. But yeah, it seems like some people on the... Amiga is like the Wild West, right? For example, OG of Mania 18K. Emulation 5.5. Makes no sense. So we're gonna make that starting point for them. You've done a lot too. No, for what platform? Many platforms then, I guess, right? Okay, we have no clue about this game. It seems like a jump and run. There's a Sega Mega Drive. Oh. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, and we of course used the... Okay. Huh? Oh, there's fall damage in a jump and run. Come on. EDS. I grew up with NES and onward. Yeah, I grew up with Amiga and Super Nintendo. So Saddle never had an NES. Okay, this is now an empty one. Okay. Got it. I feel you. All these games, I never played them. Like, if you had an Amiga, it doesn't mean you had all these games. Oh, you cannot kill this guy? Blasphemous. Oh, okay, we're not allowed to go down there. Oh, there's a banana. We're not gonna leave that banana behind. Not a fan of the game yet, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But maybe the fun is to come, I don't know. And the 114K is the high score. Ah, but we're gonna get this. All good. Come on. Okay, we toggled a switch. Beware of a nasty man carrying a car phone and briefcase, or he will steal your gold. Why would he do that? That's just not right. Just doesn't sit well with me. Okay, what's down there? Oh, 1 up. Okay. And money. Ah, and we get up. Okay, that's fair. Yeah, we know. We know. Sounds like an asshole, alright. Oh! Okay. Let me parry that. Oh, a cupcake, we take those. Interesting. There's a skull, as you can see, so we're gonna miss me with that. Pick all that stuff up. It's important, they said. The game continues. Just like nothing happened. Ever. Oh, what? The chimkin is bad. This game is so unpredictable. Okay, let's target that. Wait, football. Be gone first. Oh, okay. Mad Clown, be gone as well. Game can't make up its mind, huh? Oh, 1 up? You bet your sweet ass. I'll take that. What you put us through? What else could I have done? thank you so much. We needed that one up because you just took a life of us. For no particular reason. Bonk. Oh, orange. We take those. Oh, there were spikes hidden. Okay. Oh, come on. Another one up. Hey, we take those. Oh, no, no. Okay, yeah, we got that. Helping scarf. I thought that those can, like, launch you at one point. It seems like they can't. Oh, come on. Where to go, then? If this is not a valid option, I'm gonna take another one. I gotta take another attempt at it. Oh, that's the reason why. The game planned on launching us here anyways. But it's a cute game after all. At least that. Might not be the most exciting to watch, but you know. They did a good job still making a platformer which is fun to look at. And they conveyed that Amiga feeling quite well. They culled this to exactly everything an Amiga game should do. Banan. Okay, what's up with the spikes here? I have a feeling that the coins could potentially... Hi, I know I'm a loan shark, but listen, the only way out here is by submarine. You can hire a nice little single-seat model for the bargain price of 10 gold pieces. Do you want to buy it? Okay. Look out for old mines deep below and you will reach the exit safely. But how do I get lower? Ah, okay. I have an extra key to go lower. You hideous mine! Oh! Yeah, return this game from the depth of hell from which it came. I should, because now I'm all the way back. Because I was cheated. Oh, come on, yeah, of course. I don't know if you want to hear this here, but this is basically Trine, but with a bug. This is Bug Trine. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. Best Trine clone? Best Trine clone you. I don't know what this is, but it is... It's entertaining me, at least for that one empty board raid attempt I must do. And now he wants my money again. You're such a lone shark indeed. And now on one life point anyways, right? Get out of here. Guys making money off me for free. Oh. This time you only drop a... What? Always the hidden spike. It's a scam shark indeed. So my big main question is, will I find a hard piece or will I die a bug? So Bobo, out of the way. This is the most hideous score attempt I had in a long time. I'm not here to make any friends. Keep a watermelon another time. I take the cheese there. Can I... Oh, I can go without that fucking submarine. Look at that. Oh. Now that... Okay. So you are forced to take... You are forced to spend your well-earned coins on a submarine, otherwise you will drown anyways. The game knew already, but just didn't dare to tell you. It was just a yeah. Whatever, bruv. The sound would play the game so far enough that they would need to take care of this. Anan? You know what, game? If you don't want me to play you, that's fine. 56k25. We take this as an empty board raider. Me, 5625. Do you want to press fire? I don't. Do I want to play this game again? Nah. There we go. Goodbye.